If your car doesn't have a backup camera, you're missing out. It's 2019. You need to upgrade that 98 Civic guy. Auto-Vox has an interesting product to help improve your diagonal reverse parking habits. Their Solar One wireless backup camera kit costs under $200 and boasts a 5-minute do-it-yourself installation by anyone who can hold a screwdriver. Out of the box, the system comes with an installation guide, system manual, USB to micro USB cable, car power adapter which also features a USB output for charging, adhesive mount controller, monitor signal antenna, suction cup mount, a 5-inch LCD monitor, and solar-powered license plate mount backup camera. Installation on this unit is a piece of cake. Test the power of the camera by pressing the small button next to the USB input. Red means it needs more juice. Charge the camera with the included USB. The light will turn green when it's ready. Mount the monitor up front either to your windshield or dashboard. Getting power with the cigarette lighter adapter. With a screwdriver, remove your license plate. Slide the license plate into place on the backup camera's bracket, line up the holes of both, and screw them securely into place. And that's basically it. Since the camera is completely wireless, there is no reverse trigger to turn on. Instead, simply plug the display in to turn the camera on, or keep it plugged in at all times and use the remote controller to turn the camera and display on. Mount the remote up front anywhere. Its battery will last about a year and is easily replaced. The system only needs an initial charge with the micro USB cable. But after that, thanks to the solar panel on the base of the bracket, the Solar One maintains a charge with only 30 minutes of sufficient sunlight exposure per day to work, lasting a year. Under insufficient sunshine conditions, it will be able to maintain its charge for 3 months. The system has an excellent transmission range of 15 meters, and I was able to connect the monitor to the camera despite being inside the studio about 20 feet away. Although the display has a resolution of 480 by 272, it actually looked pretty damn good. The solar battery and camera can withstand temperatures of -20 to 65 degrees Celsius, which is -4 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera has a horizontal viewing angle of 100 degrees and a diagonal viewing angle of 140 degrees. The camera can also make up and down adjustments on the mount. Our camera came installed upside down, just a little mistake, so just take out the screws on the side and put it right side up if that happens to you. The battery indicator on the top right corner of the screen is a nice touch and keeps you aware of the system life at all times. At night, the camera can see a distance of about 10 feet under a low light source like your reverse lights. The monitor has several functions all done with the buttons on the side, which are menu plus up and down. Pair the camera and monitor, adjust brightness and contrast, switch between a mirrored image or normal image, select a preset time for the camera to shut off, turn the guidelines off or on, and even adjust them by holding down the M button for 4 seconds. And finally, reset all adjustments. And that's about it. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the video bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hate it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.